This asana allows the head to rest and increases the blood flow to the brain. It reduces stiffness in the lower limbs, calms and provides relief from headaches, fatigue, and mild depression. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Place a bolster or two in front of you and step the feet slightly apart. Keeping the toes and the heels in one line, palms onto the hips. Inhale, and as you exhale, bending from the hips, start to relax forward. See if you can place the crown of your head gently onto the bolster. The palms in between the feet. Then just watching the breath, and each time you exhale, allow the head to relax. Gain a nice stretch through the back of the legs. To come out, inhale, lift the head, take the palms onto the hips, and come back to standing.